Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling safe, compatible parts. An ESP8266 or ESP32, a relay rated for mains, and a proper enclosure. Once done, confirm the relay voltage matches your microcontroller. Otherwise, the relay won't switch reliably. Strip and tin short wire leads and mount the relay on a small perf board. Make sure to include an inline fuse and a ground connection for safety. You're wiring the low-voltage control first, so you can test logic without live mains connected. Do that now. Next, connect the ESP's GPO to the relay in, tie VCC and G&D to a stable 5V/3, 3V supply, and keep all mains wiring isolated. Once wired, flash firmware such as ESP Home or an Arduino sketch that supports MQTT and Home Assistant. This gives you reliable control and state reporting. Configure your Wi-Fi SSID and password and set a static IP if needed. After flashing, test the relay by toggling the GPO from the serial console. Observe the click and verify the relay state inside. To finish, place everything in an insulated, ventilated enclosure and route mains and control wiring separately. Keep at least about 6 mm clearance to reduce arcing risk. First, power the plug with a small load, like a lamp. Confirm switching works, then move to heavier devices while monitoring temperature and the fuse. If it fails to respond, power down and inspect solder joints, verify ground continuity, confirm the relay coil voltage, and ensure the firmware's GPO assignments match the physical pins. That single check often fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.